Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the blueberry and coconut method in Grow a Garden to easily grow your beanstalk on the Beanstalk event. So basically, blueberry is a berry and sweet and leafy fruit as well as like a fruit plant, and coconut is a woody and tropical as well as a fruit plant. So this alone like covers 6 crop types out of 9. I guess there's only 9 for the beanstalk event. There's no like just like fruit. Actually there is, but this mostly covers almost everything. Not everything, but it almost covers it all. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to grow a lot of blueberries and coconuts. I'm just going to do it on like my empty plot here, and I'm just going to plant some coconuts here and there and some blueberries, so it is easier to cover up the plants that we need for this. Maybe grow some strawberries as well. They're not expensive to get anyways, so yeah, those are the most useful plants for the beanstalk event in Grow a Garden, especially the coconut one. I cannot stress this enough how like how important the coconut is on the beanstalk event, because it does cover most of the crop types we need. So yeah, that is it. You can use a sprinkler if you want to, but I'm just going to leave it. It does take so long for a coconut to grow, like for the coconut trees to grow. I do have it on my other plot, but I think right now it's asking for berries. I'm not sure, I need to check, but yeah, that is it for this video. Oh, it's woody. Okay, well then I can just submit that easily. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.